Hello, my name is David Robinson with SAP. I am a Senior Vice President and Managing Director of our Move and Rise programs. There's definitely a greater sense of urgency now as a result of COVID. A lot of businesses face themselves with disruption literally overnight. Prior to COVID, a lot of customers were looking at their digital transformation as something they were going to do in the future when they had the right kind of business case and when they had the right kind of business plan. As a result of COVID and the sudden, literally overnight disruption to businesses and business models, what we found is that customers started to accelerate the decision cycle to get their digital transformations underway. The big rocks to a digital transformation are, first of all, understanding the current state and really having an understanding of what that preferred future state, how to get started. What is it that is necessary for you to protect and continue to work through as your transformation gets going? And where are areas to sunset inefficient processes, remove out-of-date processes, but most importantly, remove a lot of the customizations. That's what really most SAP customers are focused on, is getting to that clean digital core as the new foundation to really become more agile, to become more adaptive, and the ability to take out those inefficiencies. It pays dividends long into the future. Together with Google Cloud, a lot of what we're focused on is removing a lot of the cost and complexity associated with getting started, getting going, and getting to a point where they're really ready to start looking at your business process and business process change and the ability to extend those business processes. That's where we're really kind of cooperating very nicely with Google Cloud. Cloud brings a tremendous amount of benefit, efficiency, elasticity to your ability to accelerate the transformation. The first thing a lot of customers want to do is make sure that they're going to maximize all of the capabilities that cloud offers so that they're not redoing processes or having multiple redundant steps. Every customer has a different starting point. Every customer has a different pace, and every customer has very different objectives in terms of what they're trying to accomplish. We're starting to see a tremendous increase in a lot of focus and prioritization around what we call kind of the green line, kind of this sustainability areas of connecting their business with purpose. All of that is starting to converge as a part of lifting the enterprise into the cloud. And so when those three things are really working together as one, agility, sustainability, and innovation, it allows you to really drive growth and accelerate your business. You can't innovate in the same way on premise as you do in the cloud, which is one of the reasons moving to the cloud is such an imperative, a prerequisite to innovation.